Malaki alimano. Checking the lobster pot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's nice weather.
It's a little cold today.
Oh, someone is fishing.
Someone is fishing early in the morning.
There.
Oh.
Ayun. Ganito na yung view.
There is something because it's heavy.
Heavy? Wow!
I cannot believe it because I took last night.
Uh-huh.
So it's like few hours only.
Okay. Do you think there's lobster?
Oh, maybe nothing.
Nothing?
Just the box. I see one crab. Oh, two crab.
Wow!
Oh no, this is fish.
Fish! We always catch this kind of
This
fish,
kind
no?
of fish, yeah.
Wow.
Wow,
Oh, big crab.
nice.
Oh. We'll let go of the fish.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So fast.
Yeah. Oh, someone's fishing there too in the boat.
Wow, many crabs.
Wow! Oh, ang dami! Wow! Look at that!
Look at that.
Wow! Ang dami! Ang laki! Wow! 5?
5. Malaki, it's cold. They are
Cold?
cold. Malaki alimano. Malaki crab. Okay.
Halimango!
Alimano. Malaki crab.
Wow! You look like Noah now. Wow! Ito yung nahuli namin kaninang umaga. Ang dami. So, gagawin, iluluto namin ngayon for lunch. Pero siguro mga 2 lang yung maluluto namin. Ang lalaki eh. Wow. Ay, buhay pa sila. Buhay pa silang lahat. Babrushin muna namin. Yan, madumi yung mga gilid nila. Ayan o, madumi. Babrush na natin. Magluluto kami ng ginataan. So, ilalagay namin yung alimango. Yan, may maingay sa background ko si Peter yun.
Kalabasa. It's good. Healthy.
Wow! Yummy! So, meron din akong rice. Kalabasa, okra. Mana natin. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung gata. Wow, laki! Wow! Ang sarap. Grabe. Manamis-namis. Ayan, tanggalin na natin. Tinanggal ko na yung mga legs. Wow! Look! Wow! Ah! Natapon yung sabaw. Oh my God, sobrang taba. Oh, may orange pa. Ang sarap. Lasang alimango talaga siya. Ang laki oh. Yummy. Sarap. Meron din sa kabila. Ayun oh. Sobrang lasa niya. Isang alimango lang talagang busog ka na. Ang laki eh. Meron pa dito oh. Ayan oh. Tanggalin natin. Ayan oh. Wow! Grabe yung taba. Wow! Look at that. Kumain na ba kayo guys? Tara dito. Punta kayo dito. Kain tayo.